if you participated in the grass airdrop, here is a step-by-step guide on how to check your eligibility and claim your grass token. In this video, we'll be looking at three things. The first is the items or the tools needed to check your eligibility and claim your grass airdrop. And the second thing is the step-by-step guide on how to check your eligibility and claim your grass token. And the last thing we'll look at is the price prediction for grass token. How much will it worth? Okay, guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly hit the subscription button and turn on your notification bell so that when next I publish crypto content, you'll be the first to receive a notification for the crypto content. Okay, are we ready? Are you ready? Let's get there. Okay, so what are the tools you need? The tools you need to check your eligibility and claim your grass airdrop. The first tool you need is the link. Okay, you need to go to grass page on X or on Twitter and look at their page on Twitter, and you go to the announcement. This announcement that talk about grass, that grass eligibility checker is live. So now when we click on it, you see all the information that you need to do the checking. So the next thing that you need is your dashboard. Okay, this is my dashboard now. You need a dashboard. That means you must already have an existing account. You must have an existing account before you can be eligible. Okay, so this is very important. And the last thing that you need to do this is Solana backed wallet. Okay, in this case, this Phantom wallet. You need a Solana based wallet. Okay, so I'm using a Phantom wallet for that. Okay, so you need this in order to do that. And before now, you should have connected your Phantom wallet to this platform. So I'm going to log in now. Okay, so that I will be able to check my eligibility. So the second thing that we need to look at is what is the step-by-step guide on how to do this. The first step is to go to this page, to the Grass X account page. Now on Grass X account page, you see the link. Now there are many links on X, on crypto Twitter, telling you to use this link to click. I advise you not to use other links. Use link that came from Grass itself. Okay, yeah, because doing that will make you to be safe. If you don't do that, you may likely click another link that is not correct, that is not authentic, that may be a phishing attack, and that may cause you more harm, more damage, and more loss. Okay, so what we'll do is to open this on another page. So this is what we'll get. So the next thing that we need to do is to connect. Okay, we'll connect the wallet. Click on Phantom. You can see that it's connected. He said you are eligible. So that means I'm eligible. So now you can see connect eligibility and claim. So what is the way to check eligibility is to click here. After connecting, you click on check eligibility, you check, and you check the amount of token that you have been allocated. Also, the way to claim is the same thing. Once the claim button is live, it will be showing green, and when you come to this page, after checking your eligibility, the next thing you do is to check on claim. Instead of check eligibility, you'll be seeing claim, and you'll be able to claim your account. You'll be able to claim your token. Okay, so we'll go ahead and check eligibility here. Okay, you can see that token to claim 19.82. Now you can see the breakdown of the token. Alpha close 7.5, Airport 3 1.1, Airport 6 1.6, Airport 1 5.9, Airport 4, and so on and so forth. Okay, and there are other informations here. The airdrop checker is intended to be an estimate and may not reflect final token allocation. Abnormal network activity was detected, which may impact your token allocation. So this means what they are saying is that there could be this airdrop could increase, yeah, because there are other criteria that need to be considered before the final airdrop will be provided. And once the claim button is live, then here will show green and you'll be able to claim your token. Okay, does the grass airdrop farming, does it worth it or not? Okay, this is what we'll be considering. What do you think will be the value of this token that was given by Grass Foundation? What do you think? Okay, you can drop it in the comment section. Do you think this could be $100 per coin or $10 per coin or less? Okay, I'm going to be showing an analysis performed by Fibia.so. Okay, this is the analysis performed by Cyprian.Sol, and it looked very interesting. Said the trend for token launches is moving toward lower uh, valuation, lower fully diluted valuation. Okay, what fully diluted valuation do you expect? Okay, what FDV do we expect for Grass? Top deping projects on Solana have a market cap between 1 billion and $2 billion. Okay, so let's see this. If the fully diluted valuation for Grass, if it is 15 million, that means the token price will be 0.05. So that means if you are giving 10 units of Grass, you earn $0.5. If you are giving 50 units of Grass, you earn $2.5. If you are giving 100 units of Grass, you earn $5. If you are giving 500 units of Grass, you earn $25. If you are giving 1,000 units of Grass, you earn. Okay, let's see if the fully diluted valuation is 100 million, then the token price will be $0.1. So that means 10 units of Grass will give you $1. 50 units of Grass will give you $5, and 100 units of Grass will give you $10. 500 units of grass will give you $50, and 1,000 units of grass will give you $100. Okay, if it is 500 million fully diluted valuation that we have for grass, then the token price will be 0.5. Then 10 units of grass, if you are allocated 10 units of grass, you make $5. 50 units of grass, you make $25. 100 units of grass, you make $50, and 50 units of grass, you make $50. 1,000 units of grass, you make 500. Then, but if the token with the fully diluted valuation for grass is $1 billion, then the token price will be $1. So that means if you are allocated 10 units, you are making 10 units $10. If you are allocated 50 units, you are making $50, and 100 units, you are making $100. 50 units, you are making 500 units, you are making $500. 1,000 units, you are making $1,000. Then the higher the fully diluted valuation, the higher the value of your airdrop or of the token allocated to it. For $2 billion, for those that have 1,000 grants, they will earn $2,000. For those that have 500, they will earn $1,000. Now, do you think this is realistic? Do you think grass will be listed at 1 billion or 2 billion fully diluted valuation? If you believe that it will be listed at $1 or $2 token price, comment below. Or you think it will be listed at $100 unit per price? I think I saw a post where somebody said grass token the unit per price will be $100. Well, anything is possible, but the market is currently not in a good condition. Well, let's hope that we get something that it cook. Okay, we get something significant from Grass Airdrop. All right, if you like this content and you see value in it, kindly hit the subscription button, subscribe to this channel, share, like, and comment below.